Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss our weekly uploads on health, food, and wellness. Today, we're diving into a surprisingly powerful superfood that often gets overlooked outside the holiday season: turkey meat. That's right, turkey isn't just for Thanksgiving anymore. Let's get into why you should consider adding more of it to your diet year round. Turkey is one of the best sources of lean, high quality protein available. Compared to red meats like beef and lamb, turkey offers all these benefits with far less saturated fat, making it a heart healthy protein choice. Plus, a lot of that fat is monounsaturated, the same kind found in olive oil, which can be beneficial in moderation. Removing the skin is key. The skin adds unnecessary saturated fat, so go skinless if you're focusing on heart health or managing cholesterol. Tea's packed with essential vitamins and minerals your body needs. Turkey is particularly rich in niacin, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, and B12. These are crucial for energy metabolism, brain function, and red blood cell formation. Selenium, this antioxidant mineral supports thyroid function and protects your cells from oxidative damage. Zinc, important for immune function, healing, and DNA synthesis. Phosphorus, a key mineral for healthy bones and teeth. So when you eat turkey, you're not just getting full, you're nourishing your body on a cellular level. Unlike processed meats or refined carbs, turkey helps stabilize your blood sugar levels, reducing energy crashes and cravings. Turkey also has fewer calories per serving than red meat, especially when eaten without the skin. This makes it an excellent choice for calorie-conscious eaters who don't want to sacrifice flavor or nutrition. Heart disease is the leading cause of death globally, and your diet plays a major role in prevention. Turkey meat, particularly the white meat, is low in saturated fat and cholesterol compared to red meats. Selenium, found abundantly in turkey, has been shown to reduce inflammation and improve blood flow, both of which contribute to heart health. The B vitamins in turkey also help regulate homocysteine levels, an amino acid linked to heart disease when elevated. By swapping out beef or lamb for turkey a few times a week, you can help protect your heart without missing out on tasty, satisfying meals. Whether you're meal prepping, feeding kids, or cooking on a budget, turkey is a flexible and reliable protein. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.